My name is Marian Geisler. I'm president of the Pink Pamper and founder, and we're here today to collect this fabulous check for the Halo Fund that Smail Auto so generously gave to us. We are going to be able to help 20 women with this check, with hair prosthesis, aka wigs. When a woman is diagnosed with that terrible C word, her first thought is, am I going to die? Am I going to lose my hair? Oh my God, my family. So if you've ever had a bad haircut, you know how terrible that is, that you lose your confidence, your dignity, and your looks. So this way, when they are sick, they need to look good, they need to have their confidence back and their dignity back. So the McGee and AHN hospitals give these ladies a $350 check or voucher from the Pink Pamper, and they go to Hair Enhancements of Pittsburgh, and they are fitted and custom cut so that they look good. So we've given back their dignity, their looks, and their confidence. This helps them to heal better and faster.
I'm Leanne, I'm the Vice President of the Pink Pamper. Our money stays with the Pink Pamper. It doesn't go out to any national campaigns. Yes, you know, we need research and everything, but the women need help here and now.
This check means the world because we fundraise, and this is one of our sponsors that help us fundraise. All our monies are from fundraising. No one gets paid, nothing gets taken to the national campaign. Everything stays local in the Pittsburgh area.
Each year we are just proud to be nominated through Smail for this beautiful contribution that they do and the amazing philanthropic work that Smail Auto does to help us do our philanthropic work.
Well, we also, when we found that we gave the wig and the women are feeling great, they're looking great, then all of a sudden the holidays come. And then all of a sudden they're worried about buying presents for their kids. They're putting food on the table. They're buying gifts. There's a big expense there. So what we started was the gift program. It's Get Involved for Women in Treatment. And we pick so many families, again, from either McGee or AHN. And they know the women because they know their insurance, they know their finances, and their home dynamics inside and out. So they know who are really in trouble, who can't afford it. They send us the names. We know their children's names, we know their ages, and we go shopping. Last year we did 15 families, 33 children. This year, with our fundraiser for our luncheon, October 27th, we are going to be able to take care of 20 families and 42 children. That's also toys, Christmas dinner, and whatever else we can squeeze in there.
Thank you, Smail Auto, for your generosity.